Hey everyone, and welcome to my tutorial for Tesserae, Brendon and Rain. Near the end of this, you're going to need your knee pads. So if you've got delicate knees, make sure you wear them. I have, so I'm going to wear them all the time. So there's routine too much foot on. Takes a lot of energy in this one, and obviously I'm quite restricted for space. So reach it out and take as much as you can. Okay, so it starts on the 6. You've got 5. You're going to sweep the foot for 6, bring it in and tuck it for 7. Okay? So when you're at 7, you're going to throw it, make sure the toe is pointed, throw it out, flex it all the way back. Then you're going to go 1, sweep the right hand down, come up, 2, so your right hand comes around the back here, and then you kind of like bam. So it's almost like you're high-fiving your body. So bam, take it out there. From there, you're going to sweep the left hand, all change. You're going to do a big kick. Woo. So for the flexy people out there, get your leg up there. For the people that have watched my tutorials before, you know I'm not flexible. So kick it up, the left hand and the right hand, throw it. So you sweep it up, throw it. From there, you're going to stamp your right foot down to the back, clap, hold this strong shape. And if you've got any sort of history of popping or anything like that, sit into it. From there, you're going to twist it really quick. 8, come up. And it's almost like you've got a light in your hand and shining on your face. From there, and keep going, that's quite a long one. Throw your arm out. 1. And make sure the right foot goes across. Throw the right arm the other way. Jump here. See the right leg in to turn on the 3. So, let me show you that fast. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From there, you're going to throw your arm back, throw your second arm back, and down. At the same time, throw your right leg back and your left leg back in attitude. So, move, from here. On the 7, 8, you're going to bring up. 7, 8. So make sure you put your toe on that last bit. 7, 8. Here. From there, on 1, 2, 3, you're going to do a barrel. 1, 2, 3. From there, one more time, sweep the hands. So it goes 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So if we're on 6, 7, you're going to hit the 8. There's a great little accent in the music. The shape we're going to call is very weird. Your arm, swing up, left one goes on, this one goes over, clap like that. It's almost like you've got a tall friend and you're trying to sneakily slap them on the head. At the same time, kick that leg up. Now, I've chosen to go right angle purely because, again, I'm not very flexible. If you're relaxing, kick it up like that. From there, you can straight out. You're going to throw the right, so show me the arms first. You're going to go right arm over, left arm joins in, ha. And don't worry about it being strong, it's just kind of loose there. Same time, let's go right, left, drop into center. Okay? So you've gone back, take it over and drop. It's 1 and 2. From there, you can space it out, like so. So you kind of throw your weight forward a little bit. Whoosh it, catch. Everything comes in, curl your back over, bend your knees, and that's on the fly. Okay? So you're at 5, then he says something about the power of fearless, okay? It goes da, 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 ba, da, and then hit down. Second one you go fearless. Good. So do it again. Ha, and ha, hit down. Second one come up. Third one jump, fearless. From there, you've got a bit of a pause. So that's on the 2. You're going to wait for the 3, hit 4. So you're going to go out with your right leg, twist round, you open the body out, and your right hand going across like this. Flex the wrist. Here, hit the 4, you're going to pick the right leg out, left leg out, sorry. 5, push it through, 6. Go out from here. And 6, here, to the floor. From there, you're going to go straight up into a really cool turn, which changes about 4 times. So I'm going to try and break it down slowly, and then try and show you fast. So if it's here, you're going to go up into a turn, here, okay? So you start there, clap on the 8, tuck it, okay? And really like bend that supporting leg, try and step over the leg if you can. When you get round to about here, you're going to throw that left leg out. Then, when you get your leg to here, you're going to barrel your body again, throw your left arm over, whoosh, and drop to the floor, okay? I hope that's feeling great. So, to show you that kind of slow, it goes up, turn, tuck, round, keep going round, drop that left arm here, and then when you do this time, throw it to the floor. Okay? So from there, you've got a bit of time. You'll normally land on the 3 or the 4. I've left this quite open because different people will take different time to do that turn and get to the floor. So from there, wait for the next lyrics, which is something about sunshine. So I think it's on the 6. You're going to throw the body backwards, so the left leg comes up like this, okay? You throw the left arm over, ha! When you get to here, get the left arm to the floor, switch the foot, come through, here, you come up relatively slowly, your right hand goes in the chest, left hand goes up, sun, shine, and there's a little accent, just literally reach up, on the last one, do sun, shine, step, step. This is your moment to kind of go, oh my god, sorry. From that, and then when the lyrics come back down, bring it down on the 6, we're going to bring the right hand down the body, it goes down the leg, point that toe, grab the foot, put it in. From here, you're going to drop back on it, swing the left leg up, then when the lyrics end, I think you're again on 6, and bring it in, drop down, jump from this position. When you jump, you put the left leg behind and slide underneath. It's a kind of shape. Just boom, round, round, round. Okay? So when you've done the jump, so imagine the leg like this, when you land, right leg through, swing, left leg over, onto your knees, stay here, slowly come on, head down until the 1. And this is your motion movement. Right, let's wait for the whole thing, moderate speed, and then obviously go and watch the video, dance along to it, pick up the timing there. Ready? 6, I don't mean pick up the timing there. Pick up the timing there, and then go along with the music. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something about sunshine. Da 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 da. Boom, ha, ha, ta, ta. Boom, da, and boom. I'm coming in. Good. So if you like the tutorial, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll keep videos coming out. Just keep showing us love. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.
Here we go.